Good morning, all of you, 7th standard. In this lecture, we discuss adaptation in aerial animal. We discuss adaptation in aerial animal. Okay. In this aerial animal, different types of character in aerial animal and different types of properties of aerial animal. We discuss in this lecture. This video I have upload in your Gurukul app, so everyone watch it. If any doubts, if any question arises in your mind, you ask me. Okay. In this lecture, adaptation in aerial animal. Aerial means हवेतील प्राणी. हवेतील प्राणी. Okay. Our first point, what is the main difference between vehicle on road and aeroplane? What is the main difference between vehicle on road and aeroplane? You already know vehicles are usually found on land and road. Vehicles are found land and road, and aeroplane are usually found in air. Okay, these are two different things. In this first point, this is the main difference between vehicle on road. Vehicle on road is found usually on road, on land, and aeroplane is usually found in air. Okay, you already know about this. Okay, this is our first point. This is the main difference between vehicle on road and aeroplane. Okay. In this adaptation of aerial animal, the body are spindle shaped. What is meant by spindle shaped? Body is the spindle shaped means निमुळते शरीर. Body are spindle shaped like this. Body are spindle shaped like this. Okay, body are spindle shaped. Okay, of birds. These spindle shaped body of birds, they help minimize resistance of air. Minimize resistance of air म्हणजे हवेचा रोध कमी होण्यासाठी. Means what? Spindle shaped of birds which help minimize resistance of air म्हणजे जो हवेचा रोध कमी होण्यासाठी वापरला जातो. And this bird, due to this spindle shaped, easily flying in air due to minimize resistance of air. Okay, you understand? Our second point. Third, with hollow bones, body covering of feather. With hollow bones means poker hadi. With hollow bones, body covering with feather. The body covering of this aerial animal covering with feather means पिसापासून. The body वर पिसा असतात, feather, and modification of forelegs into wings. The modification of foreleg means forelegs, पुढचे पाय. Modification means बदल. Into wings means पंख. With hollow bones, body covering with feather, and modification of foreleg into wings. Modification means बदल. Foreleg into wings. म्हणजे पुढचे पाय पंखामध्ये. Okay. Their body light in weight. The body of aerial animal is the light in weight. जे कमी वजनाचे. Okay, कमी वजनाचे. Their body light in weight. Their body is light in weight. Adapted for flying. Only adapted for flying. Why their body light in weight? For the flying purpose. Okay. The body of insect also light. Insect means critter. Insect critter. Okay. The body of insect also light in weight and tapers. Tapers have both ends. Tapers. This is also meaning of nimulti. Tapers at both ends. Tapers at both ends. म्हणजे nimulti. Okay. They can fly with two pairs of wings. Fly with two pairs. Pairs means जोड़ी. Pairs means जोड़ी. Wings पंख. They can fly with two pairs of wings. Walk with six stick like six stick. Stick means लाकडा सारखा. Legs. Six stick like legs. Stick like legs. Okay. Bat fly with help of patagium. Patagium means paranusa. Patagium means per. The bat fly. The bat fly. Sorry. The black bat flying with the bat flying with help of patagium. Bats mean what wow? Bats what wow? Bats mean what? Bats flying with help of patagium, a thin fold of skin. The thin fold of skin. Thin fold of skin means दुभागलेली त्वचा. दुभागलेली त्वचा. Case thin means जाड. A thin fold of skin between foreleg. You already know meaning of foreleg and hind leg. Hind leg means लपलेले पाय. लपलेले पाय. Hind legs. Okay. Means some are foreleg and some are hind leg. जे पंखाच्या मागे लपलेले असते. Okay. This is about adaptation in aerial animal. Adaptation in aerial animal: spindle shape, minimum resistance of air, hollow bones covering with feather, modification of foreleg into wings, body weight is light for the flying, body of the insect also lightweight, tapers at bottom of two ends. They can fly with two pairs of wings, walk with six stick like legs, bat flying with the help of patagium, thin and fold of skin between foreleg and hind leg. Okay, this is our adaptation in aerial animal. If any doubt in difficult word, if any doubt point you not understand, you ask me like lecture in chat box. I have put this video in Gurukul app, so everyone watching. Okay, thank you.